Welcome back to Best Reviews. If you're looking to save time, keep your home spotless, and upgrade your cleaning game, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best robot vacuum and mop you need in 2026, featuring the smartest, most powerful, and most efficient models designed to handle dust, pet hair, and deep mopping with ease. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button to support us and stay updated with the latest tech reviews. And don't forget, you can check the product links in the description box below to find the best deals and more details on each robot. Let's get started. The DREAME L40 Ultra Gen 2 delivers flagship-level cleaning with a massive 25,000 pascals of suction, making it a powerhouse on both carpets and hard floors. Its extendable side brush and mop reach deep into corners and under furniture where dirt usually hides, while the all-in-one self-cleaning dock handles dust emptying, mop washing, drying, and water refilling automatically. Smart Pathfinder navigation with 3D Adapt obstacle avoidance ensures accurate mapping and smooth movement around shoes and clutter. With pet-friendly cleaning, carpet-specific modes, mop lifting, and up to 231 minutes of runtime from its 5,200 mAh battery, this robot offers premium automation with minimal manual effort. The Shark Stratos 2-in-1 stands out with its NeverTouch self-cleaning base, providing up to 30 days of fully hands-free cleaning by automatically emptying debris, refilling water, and washing and drying the mop. It delivers ultra-powerful suction for whole home cleaning and uses sonic mopping technology to scrub hard floors up to 100 times per minute. Precision LiDAR mapping allows it to navigate efficiently while avoiding obstacles, and Edge Detect technology pulls debris from corners using targeted air blasts. With HEPA filtration, auto lift technology for thresholds, and excellent allergen control, this robot is ideal for busy homes. The Shark PowerDetect NeverTouch Pro takes automation even further with heated mop cleaning, washing the mop at 185 degrees Fahrenheit and drying it with hot air after every clean. It offers up to 60 days of debris storage and 30 days of automatic water refilling, making maintenance nearly effortless. Dirt Detect technology boosts suction in heavily soiled areas, while Edge Detect and an extendable mop ensure thorough edge-to-edge cleaning. Automatic floor detection adjusts suction for different surfaces, and NeverStuck Charge technology allows the robot to lift itself over obstacles while keeping carpets dry, delivering a smart and reliable cleaning experience. The Roborock Qrevo QV 35A offers impressive performance with 8,000 pascal hyperforce suction that easily pulls dirt, pet hair, and debris from carpets and hard floors. Its all-in-one dock automatically empties dust into a large sealed bag, refills water for large area mopping, washes the spinning mops at 200 RPM, and dries them for the next run. The SGS certified anti-tangle brush system guarantees zero hair wrapping, making it perfect for pet owners. Reactive Tech obstacle avoidance intelligently detects furniture, cords, and shoes, ensuring smooth, uninterrupted cleaning throughout your home. Taking the top spot, the Roborock Saros 10R is a true next-generation robot vacuum and mop with an ultra-slim 3.14-inch design that effortlessly cleans under furniture most robots can't reach. Powered by the Starsight Autonomous System 2.0, it uses advanced 3D sensing and vertibeam obstacle avoidance to identify and adapt to over 100 types of obstacles with precision. Its 22,000 pascal hyperforce suction, combined with zero-tangling duo divide brushes, flexi-arm riser side brush, and anti-tangle wheels, delivers unmatched cleaning power on every surface. With self-emptying, hot air drying, superior corner cleaning, and elegant design, the Saros 10R sets the gold standard for robot cleaning in 2026.